Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, it's as you can see in the title, how to wash your makeup brushes for the cheapest price. Like this is really the cheapest option. And you see me with the soap. It's the Dove soap. Seriously, any kind of soap will do. So you see me scrubbing the brush through the soap to remove the dirt, and I'm doing that for all my brushes and including my beauty sponges and my beauty sponge. So it's really easy and cheap. So yeah, that's it. And it's also important to wash your eyebrow pencil, the spoolie, and the tip of the brush. You do not want to have some infection or bacterials. And you see me at the end, I use like a towel, and at the beginning, just to let the brushes dry by itself. I don't use any blow dryer. I just let it dry for like a day or two. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next one. Like, share, comment. Bye.